Hi, my name is Latoya and I completed a Diploma of Nursing here at Strategix. Becoming a nurse for me has been inspired by my values, my upbringing, and most importantly, my faith. I'm Samoan, and my parents and my grandparents migrated from Samoa in search for a better life for my siblings and I. I have 11 siblings, so I'm one of 12. I was raised in a home that was very strong culturally and religiously. I was taught from a young age to be kind to others, to serve those in need, to be compassionate, and I thought that those values really guided me throughout my life, and I really do believe that it's led me to nursing. I think what inspired me more was my grandpa. I kind of just wanted to find out how I could better take care of him or help my family take care of him when he was in that end of life stage before he passed. Unfortunately, one of my older siblings passed away a couple of years back due to congestive heart failure, and then my late grandfather. And I really believe that these experiences and these losses for me has deepened my purpose. I had a lot of doubts throughout the 18 months. I wasn't sure if I had what it took to really grasp, the material, especially with the challenges that I was facing. And I really struggled to have that little bit of faith in myself and whether nursing was for me. But sticking out throughout the 18 months, I've come such a long way, and I'm very proud of my journey. Strategix, my trainers and head of nursing, they've been very supportive. They've been very encouraging the entire way. And without that, I don't think I would be where I am today. They come with a world of knowledge and expertise, and I feel like they've really prepared us for the real world of nursing, and I couldn't be more grateful. I really do believe their values align with mine. I can't think of a better place to study a Diploma of Nursing than here at Strategix. My journey at Strategix, I think it means everything. I think getting here means a great deal for me. I can't think of a better way to serve than to be a nurse. And I dedicate my journey to my late grandfather and my parents for their sacrifice. Ultimately, I dedicate everything to my children. And I'm not doing this just for me, I do it for them. I would 100% recommend Strategix, and if you do have any doubts, I would recommend just to go in, talk to one of the trainers and they can give you more information, but I'd say go for it. Strategix has changed the course of my life, and it can change yours too.